Welcome to our tutorial on how to delete a shared Snapchat story. Keep your Snapchat profile organized by following these simple steps to remove a shared story. Begin by opening the Snapchat app on your Android device to access your account. Tap on your avatar or profile picture to access your profile settings. Scroll down to the Shared Stories section on your profile page. Next, locate the story you wish to delete and tap on the three dots next to it to reveal additional options. From the menu that appears, select Delete Story and then tap Delete to confirm your action. Once you've confirmed the deletion, tap Done to finalize the process. By following these steps, you can easily manage your shared Snapchat stories and keep your profile clutter-free. Thank you for watching this guide on how to delete a shared Snapchat story. Maintain control over your shared content by efficiently deleting shared stories as needed. Keep your profile organized and tailored to your preferences by removing shared stories that are no longer relevant. Enjoy a streamlined and personalized experience on Snapchat by managing your shared stories effectively. Delete shared stories with ease and ensure that your profile reflects your current content choices and sharing preferences.